there is a function called f of a comma b comma c. I can write it in another form called a function expression, basic function expression. The same thing I can write it in the form of canonical representation. Canonical representation. Or the same thing sometimes they may write in the form of Venn diagrams also. In the form of Venn diagrams also, right? So if you are going to take some example, if you take like this for example, I am trying to figure out this thing. Okay, so here I am trying to say that this is x, this is y, and this is z. This is also kind of an representation only. So depending on the requirement, you can able to modify, right? So if I am saying that this is x, y, z, this should be x complement, y complement, and z complement, right? What this expression represents, right? So if you observe here clearly, this expression clearly defines this is what x plus this area you need to identify now. What is this area? This area is x complement. Can I write? Meaning that x is not available, but y and z are available. Right? This is the expression what this diagram is representing. Right? If you want to have clear understanding, try to take. Right? This is x complement, y complement, and z complement. If you take this as x, y, z, right? So internally, what are the things that you are going to have? This should be x, y, z. All the three are available. What about this part? This part is x is available, y is available, but z is not available. This part x is not available, y is available, z is also not available. I think y side everything done. No. So this is required, right? This represents what? X is not available, y is available, z is available. It is available, right? And if you observe this part, x is available, y not available, z not available. This particular part represents x is available, y not available, but z is available. This particular reference x is not available, y is not available, z is available. I think with respect to 3 boolean values, you are going to get 8 values, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 values are there. So like this, right? If you know this structure meaning, you can able to define the expression, right? If you want, you can able to write individually also, right? So once you know this expression, right? This is what the question given. So don't think about in terms of examination always. So this is what they have given. So try to improve your knowledge. That's it, right? So you can able to take out this particular part. Take out this particular part, that is x bar. Oh, sorry, x, y bar, z bar, and try to take out this particular part is done. This particular part is done. Now this particular part, right? That is x, y bar, z. Next take out this part, x, y, z bar. Take out this part, x, y, z, and take out this part, that is x bar, y, z. Try to solve this expression. You are going to get the same thing, right? So if you observe here, if you are going to common x, y bar, you are going to get z plus z bar. Is it okay? You are going to get z plus z bar. You are going to get x, y here also, z plus z bar. You are going to get x bar, y, z, right? This is what z plus z bar is 1, right? So you are going to get x, y bar plus x, y, x bar, y, z, right? Now try to take out from these two x common. You are going to get y plus y bar, x bar, y, z. Try to get this as 1, right? then you are going to get x plus x bar y. Are you going to get the same expression or not? So like this you can able to solve. Right. There are many other kind of representation also possible. So these are enough for you. Okay. I hope you understood clearly. Thank you.